of course.
Oops. Yeah.
Huh?
I hit you with that thing.
Yeah.
Are you shooting a video?
Yeah.
The great potato harvest. Indoor potatoes. I better turn this music off. I can't put it on YouTube. These are my indoor potatoes. I hope there's some potatoes. There is too. Oh my. Look at this. Grown in the living room. One. That's the original potato. Two. Tiny potato. Tiny potato. Is that it? Yeah, we got a potato, and then this is what we got. But they feel real nice. What a potato harvest. Oh wait, wait. Even tinier.
Oh my. This
So
is
I
a
bet
world
you-
record for the smallest potato in the world.
If I think if I use a bigger container.
Potato.
What?
I dropped the potato.
Oh, I found another potato. No, I didn't. It's dirt.
Oh.
A shard of. Okay, well there you go. The great potato harvest. This only took, let's see, I planted them in March. March, April, May. 3 months. That's all it took.
3 months for big to small potatoes. Right there.
Yeah, that's not bad. Well, take a picture of my